This is so neat.
So
this
we
is
dug up
old.
a old window. Who knows what this...
Old farm. I don't even know what was here. You know what we should do? We should look at what was here.
But look at the weathered glass. It's almost so stained.
It's so cool. Oh my fucking goodness. That is so cool, bro.
Let's drag it in the river. Here, hold this.
You want to like clean it off? Oh yeah. Sure. That's so... That's not even wood siding.
Oh!
That's not like wood siding. That's freaking like... Careful, there's...
Sinking sand. Yeah, nice bass over there. He's coming to get that worm from earlier.
Oh, you just got him right in your face. Damn, Joey, that is old, bro. That's old. That is neat.